Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you all of the video recording modes on your Motorola Razr 70 Ultra. So we're gonna open up the camera, and here in the camera we need to click on the videos. Now here in the videos we got a lot of modes. So the first one is we're gonna talk about the 4K. So we got 4K right here. We can change it to full HD and we can record in 60 FPS. We can go for 4K and record in 30 or 60, and we can also record 4K in 30 FPS. So this is actually very good. I love this feature, and basically having a camera that can record in 8K and 30 FPS is a blessing for me because the video quality is amazing. Now, what else can we do? We can go over and go to slow motion. This is also a type of the video, but this time we are recording something in slow-mo. So of course we can record in 4K 120 FPS or full HD 120 or 240 FPS. So let me quickly record a sample for you guys and show you how the slow-mo looks like here. So we got the sample ready. This is how it looks like. As you guys can see, this is how the slow-mo looks like, and it's really slow. And as you guys can see, this video is of course 16 seconds, but we can just zoom it all the way here, and as you guys can see, this is how the slow-mo looks like. Now of course, now let's go over and go to video. Here I'm gonna quickly record an 8K sample, so we're going to start the recording. And now we are basically recording everything that I have here. So we got it. Let's place the phone back and stop recording. Now of course we're going to press recording, and let me quickly mute this. As you guys can see, the quality is amazing. So 8K 30 FPS is good. Now what else can we do here is we can go over and select more, and here in more what we have is dual capture video. This is also a video recording mode. We can capture our camera, so we can capture our main camera. Of course we can swap it out. So here we got the front camera and also the back camera, so we can record something. And as you guys can see, we got the recording right here. We got both of the cameras moving, and of course that's how it works. So now here we can go over, we have the video, and if we want the cinematic look, we can go over and select, let's say 4K or 8K 30 FPS, and it will be almost the same as the cinematic one. So that's a lot of the options for the video recording here, and that's basically it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.